welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a little while since I uploaded a video, but here it is. Here's what you've been waiting for. If you enjoy this video, comment and I might do a part 2 because this was actually really fun to make. Also, happy holidays, Merry Christmas to those who celebrate, and I hope you enjoy break if you're on break right now.
You know, I think I'll tell you the story of my life.
I want to hear too.
I was born in Animus, North Dakota, a long time ago, see? And now I'm lucky enough to be here with you.
Yeah, but what happened to between? Yeah, what else happened?
Well, it went pretty much like this.
If you want a Christmas day, I can give you a cup of cocoa. Even if it was cold, babe, don't worry, I'll be there for you. Every night I see you going down there, baby, you might feel like curtain hiding down there, and so much worries you were holding inside of you. The scars and tears will dry by. You'll be fine, don't worry, babe. I'll light up the candles for you. I will say that my Christmas day is for you.
Hello?
내가 항상 네 곁에 있어줄 순 없지만 내 생각을 죽여봐.
Wait, before you go, you need to see this. Yeah, that's it. Bye.